AI is coming to the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max series, as well as Macs and iPads running the latest M series chipset. At WWDC this year, Apple announced a bunch of stuff, but one of the most important things that you need to know about is the new Apple Intelligence. It's just an AI feature that means you can have a better mobile experience in so many different ways. Let me talk to you about it. First off, we have writing. So for example, when you're writing an email or text message, for example, you'll be able to change the tone of the message that you've written. So you can have it to be casual, you can have it to be professional. So AI will do this just for you. If you're writing a bunch of articles as well, it can even proofread your writing for grammar and all that kind of stuff. If you get a long email as well, it can even summarize it for you so you get the bullet points of things that you need to know in that email. Smart Reply is also pretty cool. You answer a couple of questions and it will compose a decent reply for you. Next is generative AI. With this, it can generate images and also manipulate images just by using prompts. For example, in messages, you can describe exactly what you want and it can generate the image literally just by describing it. It can also understand the people in your photo library, so it can generate personalized images based on those person's images. If you're someone like me, you can't sketch to save my life, you can also use Apple Intelligence to convert your rough images to be more realistic in your work. What's also cool is being able to remove people from your images. So if someone's photobombing you, you can just remove them from that image without losing the whole image. Siri also gets updated as well. So with this, it works across all the apps on your phone to help you communicate better, to be able to be more productive on the go. Firstly, you now get a cool glow on your phone when you activate Siri, which looks pretty cool. That's been updated as well. And you can now also communicate just using natural language with context. For example, if you make mistakes when speaking to it, it will know exactly what you mean and it will come up with the results without no issue at all. You can also follow the conversation without having to start the prompt or the wake up command all over again. There's also personal context as well, so you can draw from messages, calendar, mail app, and so on. So this way, if you ask questions, for example, when's mum's flight, he knows exactly who mum is, he knows exactly what you're talking about in terms of the flight, schedule, and it might even be able to tell you when to leave the house so you get there on time to pick her up. One thing about voice prompts is sometimes you want to be of privacy. So if you're in a situation where you can't speak to Siri, now you can also type exactly what you want the same way. Siri also gets access to a lot of knowledge-based stuff. So this way, if you're having issues with your phone or you're trying to find stuff, you can just ask Siri to find it and it'll find exactly what you're looking for, which is pretty cool. If you're trying to find out how to use stuff on your phone or you want to open settings or whatever, you can ask Siri to do that as well. Your notifications also get Apple Intelligence integration. So with this, all your most important notifications will be right at the top. It knows exactly what they are based on timing and all kind of stuff, and you'll prioritize them so you don't miss them. So there you have it. Apple Intelligence can do so much more stuff that I haven't mentioned in this video, but the ones that I mentioned are the stuff that you can start to look forward to for when it's ready on your device. It's going to be available on the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max, Macs and iPads running on the latest M series chipset. And also, it's going to be running locally on your device, so you don't have to worry about it. It's secure as well, because Apple ain't going to be using anything to do with your data. They're not going to be storing it as well. And also, when it can't do everything on your phone, it will go to a private cloud server system that will return results and stuff like that. But it's still pretty secure. So let me know what you think in the comments below.